so here's the Rev-i that someone wanted to see with the Reball catcher. And I'm not sure if it's showing up good on camera, but it's Pinokio hopper, just one pot of Reballs. Just a little homemade speed feed, a P-board, and replaced the PMD because of the cracking that always happens. And we're just set to semi 20 BPS. Alright, so here we go into the Reball catcher. So as you can see, it holds it pretty good. You know, I had one bounce out. I'll change it real quick to ramp. And that's it. That's a full hopper Pinokio with a Rev-i. Custom die barrel with a Deadly Winds tip, really super light. And I use a custom brass insert for Reball made by TyMcneer over on McCarter Brown, and it's been bored out to take the insert that he creates. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, so I'm back with the request for the DM9 shooting Reballs into the cage. This is my Virtue OLED board that I'm using with it. Again, my other Pinokio. I have two, both P-boarded. Both are chronoed at 285, 295. Oops, lost some Reballs there. Alright, here's a semi at 20 BPS into the cage. Alrighty, so there you go. I hope that helps whoever wanted to see it. And that's it.